So I've been using Excel for a while now, but when I joined a new business a few years ago, they were using Google Sheets and I was in for a shock. In this next video, I'm going to explore the roller coaster ride of migrating to Google Sheets. The good, what I liked, the bad, what took a little bit of getting used to, and the ugly, what I still hate today. The good, one, not having to save a workbook ever again. So I'm sure we've all had that scenario where you've been working away on a spreadsheet when suddenly, yep, it crashes and you lose hours of work. Well, let's just have a look at Google Sheets. Well, look at that, there's no save button at all. How does that work? Well, Google Sheets saves real time to the cloud so you never lose data again. Pretty cool. Number two, easily collaborate with others. Okay, so the primary reason why my current business uses Google Sheets is collaboration. Google Sheets was literally built with this in mind. So check this out. Over 100 people can comment and edit on a spreadsheet at the same time. You can ask questions of a colleague directly in a worksheet by tagging them, and they will be emailed a request directly. Since Google Sheets is part of Google Workspace, it integrates seamlessly into other tools like Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Calendar. This makes it easier to share, collaborate, and integrate different types of data and documents. Version history. So Google Sheets has a built-in version history, allowing users to view past versions of the sheet, see who has made changes, and revert to previous states if needed. This is particularly useful when collaborating with multiple users to track changes and prevent data loss. Cool features. So check this cool function in Google Sheets, which allows you to supercharge your analysis skills. It uses SQL-like syntax to perform data analysis directly in a desk spreadsheet without requiring external database systems. One of my favorite features is this table chart, which allows you to display data in a scrollable table. Plus, Google Sheets gives you all of the really cool formulas only available in Excel 365, like filter, XLOOKUP, unique, and sort. The bad, limited sheet size. So if you're coming from an Excel background, you'll find that Google Sheets is a little bit limited, as it can only accommodate 40,000 rows and 18,000 columns. That's about 10 million cells, which may seem a lot, but compared to Excel's 17 billion cells, it's not. So if you're working with large data sets, this difference can be significant. This means that when it comes to handling vast amounts of data, intricate financial models or complex calculations, Excel's expansive grid capacity often positions it as a more appropriate choice. Import range to link spreadsheets. So because Google Sheets is effectively a website, to link data between workbooks, you have to learn a new formula which is unique to Google Sheets. Import range. Once you enter the formula in, you'll need to specify the file location in quotation marks and also the sheet name and the range, both in quotation marks. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you learn it, it's not too bad. The ugly. So check this out when you want to add an extra column to the far right hand side of a Google Sheet and you right mouse click, you get this pop-up box and you can't even read the instructions. So pretty ugly. Google Sheets, how did they let this happen? Not very good. So, have you used Google Sheets? Do you find it useful, or do you think it's inferior to Excel? Let me know down in the comments by just giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down to Google Sheets. And I'll catch you on the next video.